How to use an Instagram Reel as a template. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can use an Instagram Reel as a template for your own reel. Okay, straight into it. First, open up the Instagram app and click on the Reels button. Next, find the reel you would like to use and tap on the three dots on the right. Then tap on Use as Template. You will then be able to see the clips used to create the reel you're using as a template and the length of each one. Tap a clip to replace it with a video from your camera roll, or tap Add Media to upload all the photos or videos you want to use in the template. Select the media you want to use in the template in the order you want them to appear. You can also tap the camera icon to record new clips for your reel if you like. Once you've added all the clips you want to use, you can adjust your clips by tapping an individual clip below. Slide to adjust the portion of the clip that's being used. When you're finished making adjustments, tap Next. Then you can continue editing your reel as normal with text, filters, stickers, etc. When you're done, go ahead and post to your reel. Other users will be able to use your reel as a template as well. And that's what it takes to use an Instagram Reel as a template. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if this works for you. Thanks for watching.